Hi guys, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Your English teacher Ismail Shah is here, the motivational speaker and the managing director of Eagle English Language Academy. Today I would like to post the video. The topic which I have to discuss in this fifth session is adjective and its all major types, right? But before watching this clip, if you're new here, if you like this video, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And if you have any questions or doubts related to this topic, so don't forget to leave comments. I will get back to you. Let's get started from the word adjective. What's an adjective? Okay, it's a word which describes a noun or pronoun. It's a word which describes a noun or pronoun. Okay, for example, if I write here, Aslam is a boy. If here I write a sentence that Aslam is a boy, so you are not understood that what kind of boy Mr. Aslam is. I mean, I need to write here an adjective. That is, for example, if I write here once again, Aslam is a good boy. So now I describe the quality of Aslam by writing only one word, that is a good, an adjective. Aslam is a good boy. So now you understood that what type of boy Mr. Aslam is. Got it? So this is adjective. And today in this short clip, we have to discuss all major types of adjective. Here are the all major types of adjective. Adjective of quality, adjective of quantity, adjective of number, demonstrative adjective, interrogative adjective, and the last one is possessive adjective. Let's start from the first kind of adjective, that is adjective of quantity. What is adjective of quantity? You know, adjective of quantity are those words which describes the quantity of a noun or pronoun. For example, uh, he's a nice boy. He's a nice boy. Now here in this sentence, the word nice is an adjective quality because nice describes that what kind of boy he is. And remember one more thing, that adjective quality always answer the question of what kind. Okay? Adjective qualities always answer the question of what kind of boy he is. He's a nice boy, he's an awesome boy, he's a good boy, he's a bad boy, he's a tall boy, he's a short boy. These all are the examples of adjective quality. Got it? Let's look to the second type of adjective, that is adjective of quantity. Adjective of quantity are those words which describe a quantity. For example, I have enough money. I have enough money. Now in this sentence, the word adjective enough describes that how much money do I have. Remember one more thing, that adjective quantities always answer the question of how much. How much money do I have? I have enough money. How much money do I have? I have no money. How much money do I have? I have more money. So more, little, no, few, enough. These all are adjective of quantity. Okay, because these words describe that how much. These adjectives answer the question of how much. Got it? Let's look to the third type of adjective, that is adjective of number. Adjective of number. These words, show the exact number of a noun. For example, she has 3 apples. She has 3 apples. Now look at this sentence. The word 3 shows how many apples does she has. Remember one more thing, that adjective of number always answer the question of how many. Adjective of numbers always answer the question of how many. How many students are here in this classroom? There are 10 students. There are 15 students. There are 5 students. So 5, 10, 15, 3, 2, 1. These all are the examples of adjective of number. Got it? Let's look to the fourth type of adjective, that is demonstrative adjective. These words point out, a person, thing, or animal. For example, this pen is mine. Here in this sentence, the word this is a demonstrative adjective. Okay, because this point out it that this is my pen, or this pen is mine. Okay, so this is a demonstrative adjective. When these words are used with a noun, so then these are called demonstrative adjective. For example, this pen is mine, that book is yours, and so on. Okay, let's look the fifth in the next type of adjective, that is interrogative adjective. Interrogative adjective are WH words which are used with noun to ask a question. For example, which pen is yours? Which car is mine? Okay, which book is her? And so on. Okay, when WH words are used with noun to ask a question, then this is called interrogative adjective. For example, which book is yours? Which book is yours? Now the word WH is used with a noun and made a question. So then this is called interrogative adjective. There's little difference between interrogative adjective and interrogative pronoun, and same like a demonstrative adjective and demonstrative pronoun. So these four words are used with noun. This is demonstrative adjective. If let's look to the example of demonstrative adjective, demonstrative pronoun, interrogative adjective, and interrogative pronoun. If I say this pen is mine, so this is demonstrative adjective. If I say this is my pen, this is demonstrative pronoun. If I say which book is yours, this is interrogative adjective. If I say which is your book, this is interrogative pronoun. Got it? This is the main difference between interrogative pronoun and interrogative adjective. Let's look to the last and the sixth type of adjective, that is possessive adjective. What is this? Possessive adjective. Possessive adjective are words which show ownership. For example, this is has been. This is my book. So has, my, theirs, yours, these all words are possessive adjectives. Okay, so remember one more thing. If you are confused that this is pronoun or this is adjective, this word is pronoun or adjective, so keep in mind that when a word is used instead of noun, so then this is pronoun, and when a word is used to describe a noun or pronoun, so then this is adjective. Okay, and I know today's video is very, very beneficial for every one of you, because most of the students are confused, okay, in these topics. So wait for coming video, and I hope that you will get a lot of benefit from today's class. Wish you all the best.